On 19th May 2023, I got graduated. Bachelor's of Engineering in Computer Science. Friends of mine got placed with good package, and few of them joined Trading Institute. And here I am starting a YouTube channel. I've been an app developer and a Unity game developer since around 3 years. Since 3 years, I've been doing app and game development for me and for others. Even I have got few of my apps published on the Playstore. You can check them. The link will be in the description. Do install, play, and don't forget to put the review. I created this channel to share my journey. I got some plans and I will be sharing all the stuff on this channel, and meanwhile I will be uploading videos related to app or game development and some interesting things which you will find really useful. Currently I am working on a game which I will be publishing after around 2 or 3 months. I hope it will be completed within 2 to 3 months, so I will be sharing about that in the next video. What is that game, who inspired me to create that game, everything you will know in next video. So wait till that video comes out.